Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install StreamYard setup for live streams that convert viewers step by step clearly. To begin your StreamYard setup, navigate to the StreamYard website. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. Enter your email address and choose a password. Confirm your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, select Create a Broadcast on your dashboard. Choose whether you want to stream to Facebook, YouTube, or another platform. Integrate your chosen platforms by following the prompts to connect your accounts. After connecting, return to the main dashboard for your broadcast options. Select Create a new broadcast to set up your live stream. Provide a title and description that clearly outlines your content. Choose whether to schedule your stream for later or go live immediately. Next, customize your broadcast layout by picking from available templates. You can add branding elements like overlays, logos, and backgrounds. To invite guests, click on the Invite button and share the link provided. Test your audio and video settings to ensure your equipment is functioning properly. Utilize the Settings option to adjust your video quality and streaming resolution. Once everything is set, click on the Enter Broadcast Studio button. From the Broadcast Studio, adjust your camera and audio input settings. Familiarize yourself with the controls for screen sharing and chat management. When you are ready, press the Go Live button to start your live stream. During the stream, engage with your audience by responding to comments. Make sure to monitor feedback and adjust your content in real time. After concluding your stream, click End Broadcast to finish. Your recording will be saved automatically for future review or repurposing. With these steps, you are now equipped to create engaging live streams that convert viewers into loyal followers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.